Alright, I'm gonna show y'all how to make the money. So I'm gonna show y'all how to make the money in 25 seconds, right? So if your stuff have a flag right here, click the flag, click the top, and then adjust your time. I'm gonna show y'all in 25 seconds, right? And I'm gonna show you on this time frame. Mind me, I'm gonna show you on my live account after I already demonstrated and show you guys how to set up the strategy. So I wanna look for a pair that I like, chart that's looking good. And you see, you also see I have two charts up. I'll explain it in a bit. Alright, I kinda like this chart right here. And so I'm gonna show you guys my strategy. Right? I'll show you right here. Oh shit. Right there. That's for 25 seconds, right? Right now we're struggling. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down. But I'm still confident in my trade. I'm still confident in it. Alright? 2, 1. See that? Money. Money. Move from $50 to $90 now. And I'm gonna explain it to you. I could give you another one. Oh, she looking nice. Nah, she looking like a. Let's see. I ain't gonna lie, this look juicy right here. Right there, that bit look juicy. Mm-hmm. Got like 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1. Just like that. We in the money. I'm up $130 now. In the money. That's what I'm saying. Let me explain it to you now. Right? I got my stochastic right here. It's going to sell right here. My other stochastic over here is telling me to sell. But over here, I have my chart on a 1 minute chart. And over here, I have my chart on a 30-second chart right there. 30-second. So I can see the different movements of the markets in different time frames. That's why I have these two up on my stochastic. When it's down here, or even under the line as you see right here, that's when I go with my buys and I know, yeah, that shit finna go down when you're reading the market. So that was my intention when I saw this, and the market was in a downtrend right here, right? So now let me give y'all the setup, right? Mind me, I'm not a pro. I'm not any of that. I'm just a beginner, just a learner, just like how you guys are learners also. And I'm trying to better myself too, but I'm giving advice on the way. So in the next couple months, when you see I'm really good at this and really perfected it, you can say, yeah, he started from a beginner stage and he catch on and all that. So yeah, let's start with a zigzag. No. First off, I'm gonna show you how I get these two screens. Right, you go up here, right, and then we right here, these two right here. Let's go click that one right there. Then I'm gonna show you the zigzag. I'm gonna zigzag. This is how you get the zigzag. You go here, and you go in here. Scroll down, zigzag. Click on that bit. My first zigzag is 111. I'm gonna style this. I just got it as red and 1px, right? Second zigzag, you can go back in and add another zigzag, right? So my second zigzag is right here, 5, 12, 13. I'm gonna style this 2px, right? That's the monster color. And then my moving average right here, I have it as 200. And my moving the period as 200. My moving average is EMA, right? My style is green, and that's 4px. I have it as that's this, right? And then for the stochastic, to get the stochastic, right? You go up in here now, do the same thing right there. Scroll down, stochastic right there. Click on that. And my stochastic setting is 25, 25, 6, 5, and SMA. And my style is right there. 1x, 1px, 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 1px. That's my colors. I got 90 for the overbar. So that's when the stochastic chart is right up here. Overbar, I got 90 for it. I'll leave that at 20 down there. Yeah. And then over here now, I just got the same thing. The same thing for my zigzag over here, got it over here. Same thing here, got it over there. But over here now, I got the counter channel. Where I go in right here again, right there again. Where the hell is it? Oh, right here. Yep, right there. Click on it, and this is my settings for the count now. I got 20, 10, and 2. And my style is this all blue. 1px, 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 right? And the final one, my moving average over here, 200 again, EMA, style, green, 1px, right? So that's about it. One more count. And I'm going over to my live account and show you how I place a trade with the same strategy. The boy's on his live account, as I told you guys, right? Right. I'm a I'm gonna pick my I'm gonna pick my shit. This looking juicy right here also. This looking real juicy. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm watching my Kentler channel right here. Watching my Kentler over here. As you can see, it's the uptrend is going over there. And it's the uptrend right here. Right? But this, remember, this chart is a later chart, right? This is a 1 minute chart I have over here. That's why you might see a red here and you're not seeing a red over here. Only the second red you're seeing right here because it's a later time frame. But I'm watching it. And I don't think I like this one. I don't think I like how this chart is moving right here. But 25 seconds. I'm gonna show y'all. Just waiting for the moment to go in. Alright. We're in it right now. That's my $10 I bet right there. 25 seconds. We got like 10 seconds left. So it's the strategy. See my Kentner right there. Above right there. And you see that? In the money. I got it. In the money. I went from 27 to 45. That's my 80%. I got there. And that's it in the money. Can show you guys something again. You gotta get in the market the right time. You don't just rush the market. Never rush the market. I remember, scared money make no money. Remember that. Scared money make no money. Don't rush the market. Take your time. Be patient. You rush the market, you're gonna start losing. Although your counter channel is telling you up, don't rush it. Be patient because remember, the market goes down, it goes up. So sometimes it's gonna go down. If you enter the wrong time, it's gonna be down there. See? You gotta enter the 25 seconds right there, and it's going up still. Patience. See that? I could have entered right there. I entered again, and that was another 10 I entered. Got like 10 seconds before my purchase closed. Oh, and I barely got that. But I got it though. Got some money up again. 53. That's how you do it. If y'all like this, please support your boy. Get me motivated to show you guys my progress of being a beginner and grasping the whole concept and being like perfecting the market and everything. See? Uptrend, uptrend. So this is it for your boy. And let's go to it. This over here, the other strategies right here is what I'm hiding. Cause I don't need it for this strategy right here. So I hate them. If you guys like the video, you subscribe, you liked. I'm gonna upload another strategy that can work if this strategy don't work for y'all. So some of y'all, I can show y'all another strategy that I use.